Good morning, Mighty Rattlers, from me, Miss Tripto, and your entire admin team. Today is Friday, January 10th, 2020. Happy Friday. Please rise, place your right hand over your heart, and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing with your right hand over your heart and join me in the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing for a moment of silence, and today I want you to reflect on something you did very well yesterday or something you know you could have worked on yesterday that you're going to do better on today to make sure that this is a fun Friday. Now please be seated. Celebrating birthdays today. We actually don't have any birthdays today, but we do have some this weekend. So we have Christopher Kalel Bonina in kinder. We have Justin Morales in 3rd grade, Christopher Osorio Melendez in 3rd grade, and on Sunday we have Francisco in kinder and Javier in 4th grade. Happy birthday, you guys. I hope you have an amazing weekend and enjoy your birthdays. Make sure you pop by my office at some point to get your birthday present. Today we're going to focus on Rattlers being responsible. Today I will own my own learning. Sometimes on Fridays it's easy to be distracted, but we have a lot of big exams coming up and we have a lot of learning left to do this month. So even though you weren't here on Monday, it was a short week, just make sure you're super focused. And for Idea 17, transitions are swift, quiet, and orderly. Make sure that you are the leader in the group. So if you are walking into the line, that you're facing forward, because it will remind your classmates that they need to do that as well. For our vocab word of the day, we have a fun word. I'm going to try to find some fun words on Fridays, but we have bumfuzzle, which means confuse, perplex, or fluster. In an attempt to bumfuzzle his mother, Tony hid her keys in the refrigerator and pretended to know nothing about it. So that's a silly example for a silly word. But instead of using the word confuse or perplex or fluster, those are all pretty good words too, but bumfuzzle is a little bit more fun. Remember that today is town hall, so at after 4th period, you guys will be celebrating some of your achievements at the end of the day. Please take some time to look at your uniform, take off your non-idea jackets. Thank you to all of you, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders for taking the TELPUS mock yesterday. Thank you for taking it seriously, writing in your best handwriting and at least a half a page. I'm really proud of you, and thank you to the teachers who took that on. Today, if it's not snowing, if it's not raining, we will still have our snow party. If it is raining, we may need to reschedule, or we may just move the location. Good luck if you are taking an exam today. Also, yesterday we hit 96.7%. You guys were so close. We need to make sure that we're meeting our goal of 97.5. So make sure you're on time next week, you're dressed appropriately for the weather, and that you're staying healthy. Did you know that your nose knows? It can actually remember 50,000 different scents. So sometimes when you smell a certain scent, that will go straight to your brain and you'll be able to remember something, or it will bring you back to a really specific time. I know that when I smell like Christmas candles, all of a sudden my brain relates back to being in my mom's living room. So sometimes when you smell things, it's really innate in us, because sometimes you can smell things that smell bad and you react differently. Sometimes you smell like poison, you have to get out of there. So it's really pretty cool that your nose can recognize that many scents. Pretty cool. All right, today is our attendance raffle and hopefully our snow party. Please say the Runberg Academy chant with me. Ready? And Rattlers are respectful. Today I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today I will own my own learning. And Rattlers are relentless. Today, I will not give up. Make it a fabulous Friday, and remember that choice is all yours. And Rattlers, if no one else tells you today that they love you, just know that we love you and we always will. Teachers, please take a few minutes now to call parents of the students who are out. Have a great Friday.